Welcome to Monday. Welcome to new trading week. We had a great week last week. I am looking forward to a continuation of that this week. So let's get started here. We've got quite a few to go through here. Uh, so wanted to make sure that we are all prepared. Market is gapping up 0.5% here. No surprise here. The way we closed, as and what I've put in our room as far as market commentary. Hope that helped. So I'm gonna go over the. We have, quite frankly, I have a pretty a big list of gaps. Tomorrow, today probably a little bit. I got a little bit late as far as what I wanted to do. But tomorrow, what I'm going to do is we're going to start a little bit earlier. What I mean by that is we're going to come in early, and I'm going to show you how to build an actual watch list. Like we're gonna start from scratch. So join tomorrow a little bit early. Look for link in our Telegram room. So here we go. Let's get started. 0.5%, market gapping up 0.5% as we talked about. And I leave this here so you guys know that this is every morning I adjust my support and resistance, and we've been talking about it. So now what we're looking at, okay, right here, first of all, this is your support right here. We see an hourly chart, we got a double bottom here, and then this is your resistance right here. So we can move up to about 304, come back, retest, and then if we take out 304, it's going to be a trend day. And quite frankly, it's a pretty big range. And then we have another little bit of resistance right around 305 as well. So got a nice little nice little nice little trading void here in the queues that we can trade probably about $1, maybe $1.50. But what's most important is how we avoided the distribution day. Distribution day is when you have a red bar, and not only a red bar, but a red bar with the volume. And we saw a nice volume that came in. Then we gap down a little bit, and we talked about this area. If we break this area, we can retest this area, which we did, and then we consolidated for a couple of days, and then Friday we had a reversal bar right off of 21 MA. So that's where we're at. I mean, this is going to be a buy setup, but we need a little bit more pullback for the buy setup. So that's what I have for the market. Spies, pretty much the same thing here on the SPY. I can go over this real quick. Um, let's see right over here. Spies, same thing here. Bouncing. You see what's going on. IWM staying super bullish here. It's gapping right to resistance, so it's selling off a little bit, but overnight trading was all bullish in overnight trading. So here we go. What I have as far as my favorites that are setting up, and we've got, like I said, I've got quite a bit. So let's get started. I've got AEP gapping up 1.24%. So I am going to, and I have not scanned these through yet today. So I'm gonna scan all these with you. So let me put this here, and I'll put over there. So this is all the stuff that I have. So like I said, I'm running a little bit late today. This is our pre-market movers. So we've got a lot happening. Okay, Marvell gapping up to 44.20, and I'm gonna go through this pretty quickly today. Not really not much to do. If something that's excite me, I'll tell you why it excites me. It's 44.20, so it's gapping up right up here, right into resistance. Not much going on, nothing. It's not clearing anything. So let's just pass this. ANPC is gapping up 100% to 850. 850 is that's a good one. 850. So this will be in play. This will be in play right here. Let me change this to weekly chart. This will be in play. So over the highs here, ANPC. So let's just call it a $9. and I like to put my speculatives right here, ANPC. So I'm going to put this here. It's not the top watch, it's a speculative watch. Um, and I'm just going to start going into the alphabetical orders for you. ARVN is gapping up to 71.20. The gap is too big, not even interested in this one. TLGT. It's gapping up. No, not interested. The reason I'm not interested in this because it's really not doing much. It's 94 cents. You've got first resistance right at 90, and then your second resistance at $1. I'll keep an eye on it, but I'm not really interested in this one. Viru is interesting because Viru's been you know have had some price action here, is now gapping over these 2 days. So Viru definitely makes the watch list. Now these are all momentum plays, so remember there's nothing that, hey, you know what, I'm gonna play this because it's a tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 gap. Now this one is interesting because it's gapping to $3 here. But $3 is right here, so it's gapping over all this base. This gets a this get a prominent spot on my watch list. By definition, it is, by definition, it is a, uh, I can't give, by definition, I can't give a tier 1 gap because all these people are kind of stuck in here and it's gapping into this, hence it's selling off. But it's starting to, what I want to see is, I want to see this action. See that SYBX? I want to see this action, and then boom, the volume comes up, consolidate, and then I will play this higher, SYBX. So that's the plan for SYBX. CDXS. CDXS is gapping to 1950. So that's your 1950. Now this is nice. This is a tier 2 gap. CDXS is a tier 2 gap. It's coming right back to support right here with previous resistance become new support. We don't have a gap. We don't have a shock value, but it's clearing support. I'm sorry, it's clearing resistance. Size of the gap is fine. It's showing relative strength to the market. The only piece is missing is the shock value. So it's a tier 2 gap, nice move up. Then you got a red bar and consolidation here. Now you're gapping over this pivot. You're gapping over the last pivot high. So this is CDXS makes the list here. MMD is was gapping up, so it still has no volume. So I'm going to pass on MMD. So not too much to do here. MD, and I'll look at the Arvin by Graham just put in Arvin. HJLI, 648,000 shares traded. It's trading at 1340. So check this out, 1340. Might be in play over 1350. HJLI. Not too excited, but I am going to keep an eye on this. And ARVN. Oh. Okay, so already on the list. So there we go, ARVN. Yeah, this one, how many shares traded? Oh, 1.1 million share traded, and it trades about 753,000 shares average. Could be in play, so let's keep an eye. That could be in play. Oh, so there we go. Arvin, Vero, all our fluff plays off GLSI. BCRX gapping up a little bit. Not interested. I am going to pass that. Double X, double I. Gonna pass that as well. And Pack B. Pack B is gapping up just quite a bit. I'm gonna pass that. Not really interested in Pack B as well. Amron is interesting. 520 on Amron. I think we got room to 540, but if it takes up 540, it could be off to the races. So Amrin, I am going to make that my list here on Amrin. All right, I am going to look at some of the usual names that popped up. JKS, I'm going to pass on JKS. Matchmaker, MTCH, I saw that this morning. It's no volume, 22,000 shares traded. Okta, Okta is really nice here. Really nice. It's a daily chart. It's going to make my watch list. Okta is going to make my watch list, and SPC is on my bearish watch list, and we'll talk about it in a little bit. But Okta is going to make my watch list. Um, let's see, APPS. I've got a couple more here. APPS. Let's keep an eye on APPS. It's 45.21, 45.21. I think it could be in play. I'll add that on the list. APPS. Like these are all daily plays. I don't have any. Yeah, Casey could see a continuation, but I need a pullback because 2 big days up and then gapping up today. So Casey, we can put this. I'm personally, I need a pullback if I'm gonna play a KC. Ride, just nothing here on a ride. APA is interesting. Look at daily 3-bar pattern, but not really the ideal spot where you want a 1, 2, 3 pattern, but it is gapping to 1670. So right up here could have a breakout on APA and all the energy stocks, in which I can go over with you and show you what the energy stocks looks like. CRSP, 11,000 shares traded. It's at 153. Now this is the concern here, the volume. But if it's gapping up to 153, the problem is it's gapping right into resistance. See, right, it's right into resistance. It may, but I'm passing on CRSP for me. NVAX could have a day. NVAX could have a day. I'm gonna add that. This is just the daily chart play. Look at this long base here. If it takes out 130.50, it is in play. NVAX. So NVAX makes the chart space for sure. NVAX makes it. Myrna, I saw Friday was popping. Today gapping up a little bit. Nothing here on Myrna. MSTR. MSTR is it's a little bit of a gap. It's 300, 22,000 shares traded. It's right into this bar, and maybe may have room to go. So I can add MSTR to the list. Nothing that excites me yet. Really, quite frankly, nothing is exciting at the moment, which is good for trading. You don't want to get overexcited anyway. ENPH, two big bars, 2 big green bars. Today's gapping up to 140, 143.80 on 11,000 shares traded. So nothing to do here for me. I mean, quite frankly, there's nothing to do for me at the open. I am going to just chill at the open, like I did on Friday. So if something set up, they set up. Something doesn't set up, then hey, it is what it is. ConocoPhillips, nice consolidation here, gapping to 44.37. This is like APA. So I think I'm going to put all the energy plays here. I'm going to put all the energy play. ConocoPhillips, ExxonMobil, look at the same shit. CVX, all of them are gapping up a little bit. So Mara is in play. Yeah, Mara is, breaking the downtrend channel. Look at this. This is not bad, Mara. I'm gonna add that to the list, Mara, and I am going to look at Peloton and then some of the bearish stocks as well. All right, Space is the best gap down I have. Look at it. It has topping tail, although this is a tier 2 because it doesn't have much shock value coming from shock value. Now it is getting bought a little bit, but Space is my best gap down today. It's by far the best gap down. I don't have another gap other than space as good. SLS, which is not available to short, but this is and I'm not even going to try to go located, but this thing can come in. GLSI is also coming in a little bit today, but this could be in play. GLSI could be in play, and then all those gaps. BT, that's nice one too. Look, it's breaking this downtrend line on the hourly to 644, about 37,000 shares traded right to resistance. So I like clean stuff, and I don't have any clean stuff. Now, I've got some daily charts that I really like. So Team, Graham talked about Team yesterday. Team definitely makes my watch list daily watch list play here. I also like the SE from the daily. I like ZS from the daily chart. These are I'm watching all this. I like CRWD on the daily chart. So these are all daily chart plays that I like. So that's what I have for you this morning. We can keep it here for a little bit and see if something sets up. And so let's see what we got. We got three minutes left. So let's just keep it here. All right, ALXN to 156 in play here. ALXN is in play. All right, if I keep it here, I'm gonna stay verbal all the entries as long as I'm screen sharing, because I've got too much work, and trading can't be. Yeah, you shouldn't come to that point, but may have to go verbal and then go right at it, and then I'll put it in our members area only. So let's keep it here for first 5 minutes, and then I'll see you guys in the members area. I do like this. I do like this. Yeah, it's already going over 10 bucks. I didn't want it to take out 10 bucks. Look at this, 13 million shares traded. I do like this. I wanted to I'd like this to open lower. I'd like this to open lower. So I got Myrna here. I got ZSC here, ZS here. I want to put CRWD here. And I've got Team right over here. PLTR, I do like PLTR. Look at this, PLTR, I do like. PLTR is good to go. I got this Dash. Not much happening with Dash. Airbnb, not much happening here either. Yeah, I don't. Anyone has a good gap down other than space? It's unlikely that I take a trade the first 5 minutes. I am going to see how things set up the first 5 minutes. Space not even open yet. There you go. Laser. Laser is also very good. Laser can get going here. Space is the best gap down. It's the best gap down, and it's under the 21 period moving average. It is spready. There's no pattern. It's 1 minute chart. So I'm gonna have a drink of my water here and let things set up. That's it. Oh, this one just popped up on my scanner. AZN. AZN is not bad either. Just popped up. tons of volume too. All right, this might be the first one that I play. MVIS. Look at this is in a 1, 2, 3 pattern. It's coming up off of 2 green bar. That's the only thing that's holding me back of playing this. Otherwise, MVIS looks pretty good, and that's on my. These are now popping up on my scanner. So I am going over with you guys what's coming up on my scanner. Hey, listen, I put this on the watch list yesterday to watch REGI. This can break out over 66. This is an extremely bullish daily chart on Reggie. So 66 by where you put a stop. I mean, arbitrary stop is $1. Reggie's average true range is about $4. So it goes $4. So here, this is the play here. I'm passing because it's a 50-cent spread. So I don't when I day trade, I mean this is too much of a spread. A spread is tighten up, but if you're looking to play something, this is your play right here. And it's I mean as it is, it's a 36-cent spread. So you can't you can't use $1 stop on a 30, at least double that. So your stop is going to be 66 by 64. There you go. Now the spread tighten up, and if I were to take this, I'm going to be watching the bids and see how the bids react to this. So as it tightens up and bids hold at 66 for a minute, give me some nice tape. Reggie could be in play. Reggie could be in play. Other than that, I've got nothing. Tesla maybe, but there you go. Reggie is about to go here, but it would be tough to get into Reggie. Too big of a spread. Too big of a spread. I do like this though. And CDXS, I do like. It's already going. That was one of the best one we had today. CDXS. Darn it. AZN, we are going to miss out on AZN. AZN is good. Cat is triggering a swing play here, so that looks very good. I am in that play. All right, this probably it's MOS is right off of a daily chart. MOS is right off of a daily chart. The entry will be 2310, and I am going to keep an eye on MOS. Tesla showing a little bullishness here. 628.70 by 622.70. So about a $6 stop. $6 stop on Tesla. Looks okay. I mean, nothing great here on Tesla. Looks okay. Okay, space is good here. Workhorse, that's popping up here. Nothing to do here on a workhorse. Neo, nothing to do here. Boeing. Yeah, Boeing, I might play over 236. Hey, Myrna might be my first. Myrna will be my first play. 164 by 162, Myrna. So I'm gonna put the orders in for Myrna. All right, I'm gonna put the orders in for Myrna. It's a $2 stop on Myrna. I'm actually gonna play Myrna at 163.75. 163.75. Here goes. I just sent the orders for Myrna. 163.75, and I am going to give a stop to right here, 161.75. So it'll be about $2 stop on Myrna. All right, CDXS, dang it. This was not bad. Over 19. It was not bad. CDXS. All right, guys, I think I got you all set up for the morning, and I will see you all in the members area. And I think we're going to start doing something special for the members starting maybe this week or next week. I've got some things that are setting up. Okay, here we go. Here goes the team. Team is going Myrna. If Myrna takes out this bar, I am going to cancel Myrna. If it takes out 162, I'm going to cancel the order on Myrna. See, there's not much happening today. I told you, I am not too excited. Team is nice. Team is nice. Team is nice from the watch list. Beautiful pattern here on the team. That is, I missed that. I missed that. Okay, Myrna, cancel. Let's cancel the Myrna for now. Let me bring up Myrna here. Myrna. It hasn't taken out. Oh yeah, I just took out 162. All right. Let's hit Control X. Cancel all. Space is kind of sloppy here. UAVS could be in play over 295. Not my play. Not my play at all. Peloton strong. Yeah, Peloton super strong. What to do. Peloton is actually triggering a swing play here. It is triggering a swing play. I talked about it last night. I gave you guys in the swing plays here. I like to get into this Peloton. Next pullback on Peloton, I am in. I am going to play this Peloton higher. Give me a little bit of a consolidation. I'm in this Peloton. Myrna, good cancel on Myrna. It was not much to do. Okay, MOS is ready. MOS is ready. We're definitely playing this MOS here. 2307 by 2287. 2307 by so you got about, actually I'm going to do 2309. 2309. Here goes the order. All right. Go to 2,000 shares, 2309, 20-cent stop here. All right. I will see you guys in the chat room. All right. A Tesla is my next play. Tesla is my next play, and I'll see you guys in the chat room. Thanks, everyone.